What's up, YouTubers? What's going on? Welcome to my channel and check it out. You saw that clip earlier. I want you guys to know what that is. K24, baby. So I got that at a steal at a junkyard, and pretty cool deal, dude. I paid like under $350 for this engine. Check it out. Talk a little bit about it. Let me zoom out a little bit. Oh shit, saw my finger right there. So check it out. It's a K24 A2 out of a TSX. This will be the American equivalent to a RBB from Japan, K24. So this baby, I think, has a 10.5 compression, and this baby, it's gonna get full rebuilt. You can see I'm gonna get some goodies, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing. And this engine, I'm gonna build it all motor. It's gonna go in the RSX. It's over there. I don't know if you guys can see that over there. There it is, the RSX, baby. So I'll make another video so you guys can check that baby out over there. But that's the RSX, and most of you guys seen some of my videos. You know, I have a lot of content, I just haven't had time to post it, and I'm gonna be posting more. And I kept saying this is the year I'm gonna post content, and I never do it, and I'm gonna do it. I really am. And you guys are gonna follow me if you want to. If you want to see the build, it's gonna get a full restoration. It's gonna get wide-scope pistons, 12-to-1 or 12.5-to-1. It's gonna get drag cartel goodies, RBB or RBC manifold. It's gonna get stage 3 centrifugal clutch, or what is this, semi-metallic clutch? It's called semi-metallic. I don't remember. Don't quote me, but I'll be posting things up, and I'll be doing like little walk around videos and stuff like that. This is just a quick 5-minute. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pressure wash it. So let me show you guys what I got to cover these ports that I don't want to get damaged. To run into the house real quick so I can show you guys what I got. So check. So the little goodies are these right here, the drag cartel cover plates for the intake and the exhaust. And I went to visit Jeremy in drag cartel. Met that guy, first time meeting him. That guy is super nice, friendly people. I love the atmosphere, and for sure I'm gonna be messing with drag cartel a lot more. I'm gonna get my cams there. I'm gonna get my intake VTC actuator right there, and I'm gonna get the whole timing chain setup with the timing chain guide, bunch of goodies, and I'm gonna show you guys another video on that. But for now, you know, I went there. He gave me a little coaster. He didn't have to, but he hooked it up, and he gave me 2 stickers, but I gave one away already. You know, drag cartel, baby. Whew, these guys are fucking badass. Excuse my language. I should say these guys are amazing. I think this is the 20th anniversary little package they got going on, and Jeremy hooked me up with this hat, and a very comfortable hat. So I'm a hat guy. As you can see, I love Pokemon, so that's my Pokemon hat. So check that out real quick. Big improvement. Like I say, I work at Drag Cartel. Look at that. Very comfortable hat. It's snug fit. Excuse me, my beard and my nappy haircut, but Drag Cartel, man. Very comfortable hat. I love the hat. Gonna wear the hat as much as I can. I'm not gonna use it for work. I'm gonna use it for other going out, you know, because it's a stylish hat. Look at that. Drag Cartel. Woo, drag cartel. I didn't know they were local to me in Simi Valley, and for me that's a plus. When if a place is local, that means everything, because you know you can just drive down there and get your needs. You know. Sorry, I dropped. I gotta pick that up. Drag cartel, baby. And you should put it on the pressure washer right there. Drag cartel pressure washer. When you're cleaning your stuff, and you know you gotta get things going, the drag cartel pressure washer can get it done. So one more goodie that I got from over there. Sorry, it's just I'm recording with one hand. It's kind of difficult. T-shirt. Look at that. I actually bought this, but it comes with the crown. Drag cartel. Sick. So let me get to the cleaning and show you guys a before and after. So I'm gonna end the video now. I ran into a little problem. So my stupid pressure washer didn't work yesterday. So I had to remove the fuel bowl, clean it, get all that stuff situated. Sorry, I'm looking kind of retarded right here, but excuse my language, I'm sorry. I look kind of dumb. So check it out. Pressure washer, I removed the carburetor. There you go, that guy right there. And I got it running now. So I'm gonna fill it up with soap. I already put fuel in there. And we're gonna clean the K24. It's still dirty, see? So I'll do it before and after so you guys can check it out. Yeah, I changed into my mechanic clothes. Got these custom shirts made. There's my name, Victor, JD and Vampire Homie. That's what's up. We can get that K24 up and running. Oh, you guys wanted to see the RSX? Check it out. There it is. All its fame and all its glory. This is my rooster. Say hi, rooster. Check it out. That's the RSX right there, guys. So the K24 is going in that guy right there, and hopefully make some good horsepower with that guy. There you go. Ooh, sexy, sexy, sexy. Love this fucking car. Had it for 8 years. Real nice, real badass. I like it. Did a paint job on it a couple years ago. It's already deteriorating. And sorry, you saw my finger there. Yeah, remember these are YouTube videos. Don't expect nothing, no production quality or production value on these. It's just me, myself, and I, and my own camera equipment. There's the back of it. Check it out. So, little Type R clone, Type R replica, whatever you want to call it. Look at the booty. Look at the booty. Hey, I'm a clown, alright? So, if you guys can see my videos, I'm a clown, alright? So, Honda emblem, Type R Integra. There. Say hi to her, Lulu. It's my little baby right here. Ooh, say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera. But yeah, let's get to some pressure washing, guys. Let's do it. All right, YouTubers. Sorry I keep coming in and out. It's because I keep forgetting things to post. So I put up the tent. It was really, really hot. And here's a K20. I mounted up the Drag Cartel cover plates. And it's not too dirty. You can do a little bit of cleaning on the engine. Just gonna get a couple things cleaned on it. See the intake port. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty beefy if you ask me. So yeah, do a before and after, and to it. Let's get to it. Pressure washer running. So here it is. So let's do some AMSR. Alright, I'm getting water all over myself and I'm messing up the phone, so let me just clean it and I'll show you guys afterwards. Alright, YouTubers, finished cleaning the engine and I took a shower. Check that out. Clothes is soaking wet. Oh well, that's what you get with fucking pressure washing engines. Here's the end product. Check it out. Still a little dirty in the corners, but there's not much I can do about that. The backside, way better now. At least you can actually put your hands in there now without getting complete dirt on you. Sorry, I saw something. So yeah, let me tell you a little bit about the build. I think I already did, but probably just repeating myself. So I'm gonna be doing a teardown video on this. And I acquired this engine from LKQ Pick Your Part. $275, $250, something like that. The $75 core exchange. Shut up, chickens. Whatever. It's a $75 core exchange, but I'm not gonna be doing a core exchange. I'm just gonna eat the $75 because this engine is worth it. I just needed a running block and a running head. Unmolested, and as you can tell, I'm pretty sure this engine wasn't unmolested. You see the oil filter, generic oil filter, so this person was a daily driver, daily driven this car. So I'm gonna see if I can put the oil cooler on there, tap and die that, drill it out and buy the adapter for it, and get the oil cooler for this sandwich plate, because running the oil cooler better for your engine. You get more horsepower for that. And engine life. Oil stays cool, gets to last a little longer, and yeah, that's what you ultimately want. For performance engines, you want to keep the oil cooled. So I'm gonna be putting one of those oil. And it's my first K24. I've rebuilt a K20 before. It's my first K24, and a lot of good things are coming. So thank you for tuning into my channel. The JDM Legacy out. Till the next one, guys.